everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I will share with you a recipe of veg biryani. Normally we prepare biryani either with chicken or mutton, but today I will prepare biryani only with vegetables, and believe it, it will be equally tasty like chicken and mutton biryani. So friends, let's watch the video till end, and if you like this recipe, please give a thumbs up and leave your valuable comments in comment box. So let's get started. So for preparing veg biryani, we will first prepare our rice. Here I am using long grain basmati rice, and we will boil it with some added salt and some whole garam masala spices like black cardamom and some cinnamon sticks, some green cardamom and some whole black pepper and clove, 3/4 cloves. We will add some oil in it, 3/4 spoon oil, and mix everything, and we will cook this rice almost 70%. And then we will put the rice in strainer and dry it little. So here is our rice is ready. It's almost 70% cooked, and next when we will make the biryani layer, it will be 100% cooked. So now in a frying pan we will add 3 to 4 spoon ghee or clarified butter, and we will fry some vegetable in it. So for veg biryani I am using paneer, carrot, potato and some green peas and some soya nuggets. So it's soaked already. So first we will fry the paneer. We will fry it for 2-3 minutes. Just make it light brown, and now it's done. Next we will fry other vegetables. First we will add some whole garam masala spices in this ghee, some green cardamom, some clove, some cinnamon sticks, fry it little, and we'll add potato in it. So fry this potato for 2-3 minutes, and next we will add the carrots. Fry all this, and next we will add soya nuggets. I already soaked it, so add this nuggets. Fry everything. We add green peas. Now we will cook all this vegetable in medium flame for 2-3 minutes, and then we will add some masala. 2 spoon ginger paste and 2 spoon garlic paste. Mix everything and cover it, cook it for 2-3 minutes. And now we will add some biryani masala in it. So today I am using Shan biryani masala. It's awesome in taste. So, and it's available in any grocery store, so you can use this one or you can use other brand also. So I'm using 3 to 4 spoon biryani masala. Mix everything and cover it, let it cook for at least 2-3 minutes. So next we will add some salt and some yogurt, 2 to 3 spoon yogurt or curd in it. And now mix it well, and just add one more ingredient, there's little red chili powder in it, and mix it, cover it for 2-3 minutes, and then our vegetables will be ready for layering. So now turn the gas off, and we will do the next part, layering. Now for layering, we will take a non-stick cooking pan and add 1 or 2 spoon ghee in it, and spread some rice. Mix the rice with the ghee and spread all over the bottom nicely. And next we will add these vegetables, half cooked vegetables, potato, carrot, soya nuggets, paneer, everything, and we will spread some biryani masala, 2 to 3 spoon biryani masala on it. Next we will spread some salt, and now we will add again some rice. So cover this vegetable with the rice like this, and next we will add everything, 2 to 3 spoon biryani masala, some ghee, 2 spoon ghee. I soaked some kesar in warm milk, so add this, add some beresta or fried onion, and next we will do the same thing, add some vegetables, paneer that we fried separately, and now we will add some biryani masala, 2 to 3 spoon biryani masala,
some salt, and again we will add rice, spread rice on top of it. Remaining vegetables, some gravy also, paneer, some biryani masala, some beresta, and little salt. So in this way we will do the layering. We will add everything in every layer, and in this last layer we will add the remaining things. So spread the rice, add some ghee, some kesar milk, and some biryani masala. So this is our final layer is done, and after that, if rice looks very dry, you can add little water on top layer, spread little water, and now we will seal this container with some wet tissue paper or some flour dough. So lock it properly, and next then we will cook it in lower flame for at least 25 to 30 minutes. So I am using wet tissue paper to lock this container, and now it's all set. It will be cooked for another 25 minutes. So now after 25 minutes our vegetable biryani is done, and it looks very nice and it smells very nice also. And now I will pour it in another container. It's perfect. All vegetables are cooked perfect, rice is perfect. So friends, here is our today's dish. Vegetable biryani is ready and served. I hope you like this recipe. So please try this at home, and if you like it, please do a thumbs up in my video and some comments in my video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.